Hey, I am showcasing. I just got this Iron Mountain cabin in the atomic shop. This only the cabin, not the bundle. The Iron Mountain Amble. So I'm showcasing. I put it here. This is an area you cannot nuclear bomb. It's protected by the game. So let me show you. So here in the lower floor, I place all my workbenches.
Don't eat just anything you find out there.
And in the top floor, I put my bed and some exercise. And entertainment area. And because there is no space for an alley, I place this small cabin with an alley which is a cook. I got this stuff played in the game very recently. This pink fireplace, pinball fireplace. So here you put to it, and I put here where you can have a view and relax. I put a kind of a toilet bathroom area in the back. Have this. Here is also a view. Here you can have you can jump in the jacuzzi. See, it's protected. Anyway, I wanted to show you have 5 characters and 21 camps. And this is one of them.
Hi there.
Until next time. Bye.